Okay, good morning, student. Welcome in ninth batch, ninth A division algebra group. Today, first time I have given the entry, but from tomorrow, strictly you have to write standard division, roll number, and name. If 1, 2, 3, 4 is there, then only I will give you the entry. That's final. So let's start. In first semester and in second semester, 40 marks as an exam of algebra will be taken, and rest of part year work. For year work from this year, for the 10th standard, as an assignment, you have to complete your workbook. Whenever you will get the workbook, you have to write. So whatever the topic I will cover every day, that you have to write in workbook also and in notebook also. So your drill work also will be done, and practice also will be done. And if there is any doubt, you can ask in the group, but don't call again and again or send the message on personal group, sorry, on personal number. Set, what is the meaning of set? It is a group, but in a mathematical definition of the set, means of same kind, of same type. If we are talking about 9th standard, then only 9th standard student, no 10th, no 8th student. Among that, again subgroup, if 9th boys, so only 9th boys. If girls will be added, it will not be the set. So of same kind, of same character, or of same with some similarities, not in difference. So example, bouquet of flower contain different type of the flowers. Bunch of key will be the different shape of the key. With that, you can open the door, drawer or something. Group of bird, in that you will find same types of group birds. Set of book, suppose you have purchased 1 dozen book, so all will be of same size, same color, same line. Numbers, if you will collect the numbers, for example your marks, so all are made up of mathematical symbol 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From that only it will be made. There are two type of set, means writing method. One is list method or roster method. Rule or set builder. In list, you have to write all the elements. For example, I write all the symbols of number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This same I will write here. X belong to natural number, but natural number is less than 10. W, sorry, because I have taken 0 also. So here in symbolic method I have written here which are that individually that I have written. Close your mic. So list method means each and everything you have to write, and here in a summary form you have to write another Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Here you will write X. X is day of week. So here I have written summary way. Here I have written in a particular means exactly which numbers are there. So list method or roster method, each and every element you have to include. Here the summary of that you have to write. Here C group I am giving one example, colors of rainbow, all you will write with pure types. Here you will write all the number colors, pink, yellow, blue, black, not black. So colors you will write, and here only you will write see X is a color of rainbow. So this you are writing in shortcut, this you are writing in long cut. Suppose I have to write 1 to 100. So each and every element I have to write 1, 2, 3 up to 100, and here I will write number from 1 to 100. So like that. We have to write in roster form. So one day was set of even numbers, even divisible by 2. So 2, 4, 6 all are even number. Set of negative sorry, this is because of power. Next, negative integers. All negative integers from 0 to left, -1, -2, -3, -4. Set of prime number, that is 1 to 115 between. Who is speaking? Hello? Who is that? Don't speak anything, I said. Hello? Who is speaking? Who is speaking? Who will speak? Who will make their mic on? I will remove. I said don't speak. You are disturbing me, so here I am getting the problem. You are fighting in between. Who will send the message? Who will speak who will speak something? I will remove permanently. From 1 to from tomorrow only 5 minutes I will give to enter. Next I will close the entry. Still someone is speaking. No, these 3 students, no, I will report school. Report to principal, report to management, report to the class teacher. Class teacher myself only I will give in written. Fighting, telling anything, sending message. Arey, time standard daily I am taking lectures. They are not giving this much trouble. To their parents also I will call today. Negative integers then 1 to 50, which are prime number. 1 is not a prime number, 2 is a prime number. See, this become also dry. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 47, 48, 49. Prime means which are divisible by itself and by 1. These are prime number. Rest are not a prime number. Basic sound of sargam. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da. knee. See this in and out, in and out. I am tired now. I will make host something. Now we have to write this is belongs to. 4 belongs to natural number, but minus 4 does not belong to natural number. Means 4 is included in natural number. Minus 4 is not included in natural number. Follow? So 4 by 3 belongs to Q. So this fractions belongs to Q. Then minus 2 they have given not belong to natural number. So write P is an odd number. P Pratik, what happened to you? Why you are speaking? P is an odd number. Now Sohail, you are speaking. P is set of odd number. Minus 2 is not a natural number. Here 4 by 3 is real number, or you can write fraction. See, at 8:30 students are joining. Write any two sets by listing method and ruler method. So these two examples I have given. They have asked for two examples. So like this you can give example. Who is from tomorrow in between 8 and 8:05 in between I will give the entry again I have to see who is coming, who is going. This is the worst class. I am taking lots of class this online lectures, but this is the worst, highest trouble you have given. Now from next day who will speak, permanently block, and I will inform to the parents, to the principal, to the school. List method. All month in the calendar. So A month, January, February, March, April, May, like up to December you have to write. Letters in the word complete. Complement. in the set you can't repeat the word or the element. So you can write C O M, C O M, P new, L also new, E, M already done, E already done, N, T. Correct. Then set the human sensory organ, from where we get the sense in our body. Eyes. Don't speak. I have not given permission to speak or to make your mic on. So 5 sense, that name you have to write. Now again prime number to 1 to 20. 1 is not a prime, 2 is prime, here somewhere I have written here. 3 is prime, 5 is prime, 7 is prime, 11 is prime, 13 is prime, or up to 20 only. 17, 19. This much are prime. Names of the continent of the world. So new group D is equal to, write individual. Means list form, means you have to write individual element inside the bracket. And rule or roster method, this way, short type. You no need to write each and every element. Now following are the elements 1, 4, 9, means 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square, 10 square. All are the square, but from 1 to 10. So A is equal to x is equal to a square, where a is a, this Mukesh no tell me to contact after lecture. Mukesh, A is 1 or 10 or in between, and square 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. And also you can write in this way: A belongs to natural number, and n is less than or equal to 10. This also you can write. X is equal to a square, but a is equal to natural number, and natural number is less than or equal to 10. 6, 12, 18 up to 48. 6 double 12 double 24. No, adding 666. How to write this? 6 1s are 6 2s are 6 3s are up to 6 8s are. So x belong to 6a. A belongs to natural number, and natural number is less than or equal to. Now natural number 1 to 8 only we have to select, and And here 1 to 8, 6 ones are, 6 twos are, 6 threes are, 6 fours are, 6 fives are, 6 six are. Now C, they have given smile. So C is equal to X. X is X are the letter of word smile. X are the letters or the alphabet also you can write from smile. So from individual to group type and from group type to individual you can write, convert. So when each and every elements you are showing, that is a set builder form. Okay, means listing method. Then rule method means you are writing in short. You are not writing all the elements. Then they have given Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So I'll write X. X are the name of day in the week. They have given Sunday to Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So what you write? C or D, any group name is equal to X. X are the name of the day of the week. Now same, here I will change AET. These are the letters of the word. So like that, 2 from set to individual number. First of all, how to identify the set means of same type. Here only alphabet, here only the number of multiple 6, here only the squares, here only the prime number, here the alphabet of complement, here the name of the. So it is a group of same type of the word. And here also natural number, negative integers, 1 to 50 prime numbers, 7 sur of the Sargam Sangeet, and how to read the symbol, math symbol. 4 belongs to natural number, -4 do not belongs to the natural number, like that. 4 3 belongs to Q fraction, -2 not belong to natural number. So you have to write what I am speaking, that you have to write, that is a reading of the mathematical symbol, like that. So stepwise, slowly you have to learn what are the symbol, how to read. Then set, what is the set? Set is a full summary of you can say a group of alike numbers, words, names. Suppose a name of days, so only the days. Name of months, only the month. Natural numbers, only natural. No mismatch. With a day and number, you can't mix. So that is not a set. Set in a maths, set, it is a particular type of alphabet or a number or a group of the element. Then what we have seen, that set we can write in two form. Rule form means what? Information. In that we are not indicating each and every element, but in roster form we are using, we are denoting, we are writing each and every element. Suppose 1 to 10 natural number, so we will write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That is a roster method. Then rule method, so I will just write x belong to natural number from 1 to 10. So by word we are expressing the group. It is a rule method. When total that we are getting in an individual element, that is a roster method. Now some symbol. Singleton set or a single set in which, suppose A only single number, B only Sunday, C only alphabet. The set which contain ओनली सिंगल एलिमेंट, एक से ज्यादा भी नहीं एक से कम भी नहीं, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? सिंगलटन. सिंगलटन सेट. एम्प्टी सेट, नल सेट means nothing is inside. Not a single word, not a single alphabet. Yes, somewhere I have written no, -4 is not a natural number. So -4 will not be entered in natural group. So empty. So this is first method, this is second method. How to write this same to same? Write 0 and cancel means not even 0. 0 itself, it is a one element, it is a singleton, like that. Suppose y. So this is singleton set. These all are empty. Where inside the bracket? Nothing. If I'll give Sunday is a name of month, so it is not name of month, so empty, not valid. Or January is a day of week, empty, will not include. So not included. So 0 and cancel, empty. You can write is equal to empty, not equal, equal. You can write in this way, show blank or is equal to 0, cancel, even not 0. Correct. Finite set, infinite set. Suppose A is equal to 1 to 5 only. So finite. More than 5. Unlimited. So this is finite. Infinite. Finite means number you can count. It is a limited group. Infinite means it is unlimited group number, you cannot count. 1 to how much, that not countable. Number of stars not countable, infinite. Days in week counted, finite. Month in a year counted. Ninth B boys counted, finite. Ninth B girls counted, finite. The total number of people, many, so no, not exact figure. So when it is unlimited, it is infinite. When it is limited, it is finite. Dear student, again I am guiding you again and again. I want ninth B. If it is only 9 number, double digit, single, double, and name. Without this, I will not give entry. After 5 minutes, I will not give entry. Who will on the speaker, immediately I will remove permanently. In next lecture also I will not, because same to same, if I will guide this, no, I have very less lecture for maths and science. So see, my target is completed only 50%. Because that 3 students, no, I will give remark to their parents also, to the principal also. So be alert, don't do misbehave this, and don't open the video. If you will open, no, I will punish. And you are not new for the online lecture. Last year also you have done.